I want to tell you about my Sunday. I had a great Sunday. I had 3 clients I took out Sunday after my buyer's presentation, and we looked at these homes. They wanted to put in offers on these 3 different homes, and I was able to get them all 3 into contract on the same day. Each one of those offers had between 10 and 15 agents were also trying to get the same home. I beat approximately 45 other agents to get those 3 clients into their dream home. They are so excited. I'm so excited for them. Multiple offers are not a big deal if you know how to write them. If you have questions about multiple offers, feel free to give me a call at 614-374-3705 or look me up on my website, micahharr.com. Have a great day.
Most people are used to what we call GFCIs. That's these reset buttons in the kitchen, bathrooms, outdoors, and in the basement. But if your home was built in the early 2000s or before, not all of your kitchen outlets might have GFCI protection, something that you really want. In this house here, you can see the GFCI outlets with the reset buttons, and they're basically to protect you any place that you, electricity, and water might be together. But they've changed the rules to make it safer. Some of the older homes don't have GFCIs. So this one does. Some kitchen outlets are also protected and they don't look like they are, but then some of the older houses don't actually have GFCI protection. And shown with this tester, normally I should be able to click this button and this light should go off, showing this one's actually protected by a GFCI. It is not. You take the same tester and put it over here.
What does that mean, Frank?
That means this GFCI is not working properly, because we should be able to hit this button and actually shut these off, which would shut the power off to these GFCI outlets, protecting you in a situation where you didn't want to get shocked.
Are you saying that none of them are working?
I'm saying that these GFCI outlets, it looks like you're protected, but they're not actually working correctly. And we can hit both these buttons and it should shut off the power, but that's not happening today. So these outlets should actually be replaced to protect you in the situation to prevent you from getting electrical shock.
That's very useful.
That is very helpful, and sometimes unexpected, because you expect to be protected when you're seeing those reset buttons, but it's not always the case. Everybody should be testing those outlets at least once a year. There's actually a button on here that says test, and if you push this, the outlet should pop, and you'll actually hear the popping sound, and then the power has been shut off to it. If hitting that test button does not shut off the power, then you need to talk to an electrician or handyman about having these electrical outlets replaced with new ones.
Thank you, Frank. That was very helpful.
Welcome, Micah. All of us probably have smoke detectors in our home, but some people have ones that have a yellowish color, kind of like this right up here. It's not a fashion statement back from the early 70s and 80s. It actually indicates that smoke detector is probably gotten too old. They're actually made from a plastic that starts to yellow when they get old, and if the smoke detector is more than 10 years old, you should really look at replacing it. So if your smoke detectors look white compared to this yellow one, you're probably in good shape. But usually either on the back of them, or you can open them up, and it'll actually have the date of manufacture. Anything more than 10 years old, you should probably getting it to be replaced. And you may be saying, well, the test button still works. That means the test button works. It doesn't mean the sensors inside are fully functional like they were when the smoke detector first came out.
Frank, where is the manufacturing date?
So you can find the manufacturing date usually on a sticker on the inside or the back. As you can see, this one was made in 2007. So it's more than 10 years old. We're just trying to bring people of Columbus, Ohio, and the metropolitan area some safety tips to help you with your home.
Thank you.